Despite tablet sales steadily plummeting, Xiaomi is still committed to the niche and has just announced the Mi Pad 4. The new slate comes with a Snapdragon 660 chipset along with LTE support and an extremely attractive price tag. Welcome back to QatNip, and today we present you the Xiaomi Mi Pad 4. So come on, let's learn together. The all-metal device has an 8-inch LCD IPS display with an aspect ratio of 16:10 and an effective resolution of 1920x1200 pixels, being a WUXGA resolution. The SoC has an octa-core CPU clocked at 2.2 GHz and an Adreno 512 GPU. Xiaomi will offer the device with two memory configurations, being either 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of onboard storage, or 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of onboard storage to choose from. There is a 13 megapixel main camera with an f/2.0 aperture lens for all those who love taking pictures from huge screen tablets. The setup has an HDR mode and 1080p video recording as well. There is no LED flash though, because it is most likely to go unused for most people, so very sorry to the photo snappers. The selfie snapper is a 5 megapixel unit, but it has AI face unlock, that is a MIUI enhanced version of the stock Android feature. The size of the Mi Pad 4 is pretty compact at 200.2 x 120.3 mm. The thickness is just at 7.9 mm. It weighs 342 grams and backs a 6600 mAh massive battery with a regular 10-watt charging adapter packed in the box, although it has a USB Type-C interface. There is also a nano SIM port for the LTE version. Speaking of connectivity, all Wi-Fi protocols are supported up to dual band AC, meaning there is support for both 2.4 and 5 GHz frequencies. There is also Bluetooth 5.0 low power edition that comes along with all new Snapdragon versions and built right into the chipset. The Xiaomi Mi Pad 4 is already available for pre-order in China. With the launch scheduled for June 29th, it can be purchased in black or rose gold colors. The 3 and 32 GB Wi-Fi variant is priced at 1099 Chinese yuan, or that is roughly $170 or 150 euros. The most powerful 4 GB and 64 GB version along with LTE capability is priced at 1399 Chinese yuan, or that is roughly $215 or 180 euros. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.